has TaxDome or does TaxDome make team management easier? And if so, how? Which specific features would you say are useful for that specific let's say challenge, which is managing your team?
Yeah, I definitely like and enjoy the ability to have tasks assigned to different team members, the ability for me to, or anyone in management, to see which tasks are being done currently, which jobs are in the pipelines, where exactly are there in that particular moment, and really kind of be able to granularly assign clients to team members. So if we onboard team members that don't need to see a certain subset of clients, we can just assign them to that. So it makes the management of the team a lot easier because we could kind of segmentate the work to different team members that only need to see those particular pipelines, those particular jobs, those particular clients. So that definitely is a feature that I like.